Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you my word hunt book. This book is inspired by one of the apps that I saw. I don't remember where did I see, but I think I've seen it on Instagram or either one of these sites where they keep popping up for me to play. However, my son, who's 6 year old, he gets very happy when he sees all these games and he likes to crack them. However, with this less time that we have, I would like to avoid the time that he likes to spend with the phone or iPad. So what I thought of creating the book out of the game, and it may not be the best way to create it, but I did put in an effort. So this says many words to be made in many ways. Go left, go right, get them all in line. Real words here, funny words in your mind. Okay, so this is a simple rhyming theme that I made, but that's how you have to I mean, these are the rules that you have to follow. Now make the words. So if you'll see, there are three letters here that I've made, and some of the letters I have, I mean, it was a pretty long thinking process, but I really wanted to get it done with Vivaan, and I thought it's a nice way if he just wants to like just do some kind of game. This book is ready. Okay, so now you need to make three words here, and what I've done is I have already given three alphabets wherever they will be made, and he needs to now just make three different words. So if he uses one, okay, so he would be writing one, either WON here with the pencil, but then two O's will not be going in here. And if you're trying to make it, you can try and add more alphabets, more letters to the grid. Going forward, you have ARE. Again, I have mentioned three letters right here. Then we have ATP. Again, three different words, which is TAP. And you will also have TAP. Okay, so which is TAP, and then it will be PAT, and then it will be APT, apt. Then we have RIDP, and the word is actually drip. Then you have fair, and they are like starting from three to going up to four somewhere. Some like down the line, it's gonna go to four and five. Then this is dent, and you have a lot of words I've already written here. So you have one, two, three, four, five. So here he has to make five words. Here again, one, two, three, four. He has to make four words, and this is a park. That's the word is park. Then this is another one, and yeah, I mean, if you'll see, it was very simple. You have to just think of the words, and then you can just like try and create. You can actually start. You don't need these. What you can tell your kids is, if you're doing blend or if you're doing any kind of other stuff with them in terms of word building, you can just simply say D, all in jumbled forms, and tell them to make as many words as they can, and just write it simply rather than just adding this. I think that will be a simpler option. However, for Vivan, I wanted him to do that because we did that a couple of months back already. Okay, so we have here TABE again, and I think we have more words coming up here, then more words here. It's just getting more intense now. This one, and this is an extra page. I don't know how this page just came off. And this was the last page, guys. So this is a fun game building book. It's not something that we'll be doing every day. I will be just keeping it there with the tag free game time. So whenever he wants to just use his brain and do something fun, try and think over and make some words which are going to be a little tricky, keeping in mind that I've already given the alphabets here, so he has to use it the same way. um let's see how it goes, guys. If you have any suggestions, or if you have seen any games online, you want to create a game out of it in a book form, go ahead. And if you have anything like this, please share with me. I'll be more than happy to try it with my son too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe. We are always sharing amazing ideas. If you haven't liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like the videos. There are so many things that we keep doing for different age groups. I try and share many games. I try and share the stuff that we do. I have my Instagram and my Facebook page accounts right in the description box below. You can follow us and you can see what else are we doing the rest of the time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.